Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something very exciting as it is Mother's Day. We are celebrating her. Everything good about being woman, the feminine energy, that beautiful female empowerment. I love it and I'm super excited to talk about Jeulia. This brand reached out to me and I was so excited to work with them. I have been eyeing their pieces for so long, and so when they offered for me to pick out some pieces for some women in my life, I jumped at the opportunity. I'm super excited to tell you a little bit about the brand as a whole and show you these beautiful pieces. Of course, want to say happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers and the mother figures out there. Mother's Day is always odd for me because I actually grew up with my mom not being a part of my life, but I always grew up with a lot of really wonderful women surrounding me, and even though I was raised by a single dad, there were a lot of women that served as mother figures to me. And now with my husband's family, I feel like there are just so many incredible women in my life now that I am so inspired by and so proud of. So the fact that Jeulia wanted to reach out and celebrate women with me was just, it's so cool. It's just so cool to me. So I'm like getting a little bit emotional. That's so crazy. I lost my mom in 2016 and I lost her mom in 2021. I have a tattoo in honor of both of them, the butterflies in my life. And I was very excited to get the opportunity to pick out some pieces for the women that surround me currently and to celebrate them. So the pieces that I am going to share are picked out specifically for women in my life, but Jeulia has so many incredible pieces that you can find something for everyone in your life, including yourself. So I really just wanted to take today and celebrate that. Mothers, mother figures, female empowerers, female empowerment all around you is so important and so beautiful. I'm gonna get off my soapbox and talk about what's in this box. So everything that I picked out is from the silver collection. I am definitely more of a gold girly, but like I said, I picked these out for the women in my life and they definitely wear a lot more silver. So I wanted to pick out pieces that were perfect for them. First, I want to talk about packaging in general. Jeulia, when they send you pieces, things come very well packaged. So this is what my box looks like of stuff. It also comes with a little gift bag, so you don't even have to think about going and getting one. Comes with a little card with some personalized inspiration about pieces that you might like, and then it comes in these very nice boxes. So first, we'll talk about these earrings. So when you open it, this is what the box looks like. It has the loops to hold the earrings, and then it's just beautiful packaging all around. These are the earrings. I will put a close-up up here of them as well, but they are these really beautiful, kind of dainty but dangly earrings. I think they're so pretty, and I have a special attachment to butterflies, obviously, so when I saw these, I just knew that I had to have them. I think they're gonna be perfect for my mother-in-law. She's not a big jewelry person, but I feel like on fancy occasions, going to weddings, things like that, I think she's gonna really like these, and they're extra special for her because she has 2 daughters, so I feel like this is just a beautiful little omen to that. I love the blue. The quality is so nice. They're not too heavy, but they are just so, I mean, I just feel so sophisticated and beautiful wearing these, and I love them. I think they're so pretty. They are a butterfly with little rhinestones in between and then a faux pearl down at the bottom. So love these. Next, I picked this piece, and this is a tennis bracelet, and this is so pretty. It's like an ombre silver to blue. I think this is so nice. It looks so expensive. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was like, are we sure this isn't a real, like, super bougie tennis bracelet? It's so pretty. I love the gradient on there. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's, again, lightweight, but very nice quality. The rhinestones are so pretty and so sparkly and shiny. They're beautiful. I think this is going to be absolutely perfect for my sister-in-law who is graduating college soon. This is going to be a very nice elevated piece. It's something I know she would literally never buy herself, but I think that she's going to absolutely love it. So I am very excited about giving her this. I think this is, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I definitely want one for myself too. And then lastly, we have this, and this came in this little velvet bag here, and it is this bracelet. My older sister-in-law is getting her PhD in planetary science. She is a genius. It's absolutely crazy. She's so smart. She's one of the smartest people I've ever met in my life. She's so driven. She's so beautiful inside and out, just the most incredibly beautiful, brilliant person. And she obviously loves space. So I saw this, I knew it would be perfect for her. It has a crescent moon, a little star, and then some like constellation style rhinestones. I think this is so pretty. I love this little dangling charm here. I think it's dainty enough to wear on a daily basis, but it's a nice fancy piece that, again, I know she would never buy for herself, so I love getting to give gifts like that, and I just think that she's really gonna love this. It's something that's very true to her as an individual, and dainty and beautiful just like her. So those are the 3 pieces that I picked out for the women in my life, but there are so many pieces on their website that I am absolutely obsessed with. I will put a bunch of them up on the screen so you can see all of the beautiful shiny pieces, not even all of them because there are so many, but they are incredible. Pricing is amazing. The packaging, like I showed you, is gorgeous. The shipping was fast. The quality is out of this world. And I love their designs. There are so many unique pieces on there that I think are so beautiful, super, super high end. I just absolutely love them. I do have a discount code that will save you 15% off as well. It is Danielle15, so I will put that up on the screen and down in the description box so that you can save yourself some money. These pieces will be linked along with their entire Mother's Day collection to celebrate today. But thank you so much to Jeulia for sending me these pieces and letting me pick these out to celebrate some of the incredible women in my life. I'm super, super thankful, and I know that they will be too. And thank you for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I really appreciate having you here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next video. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day and a happy Mother's Day. Bye!